Jebon? Sino may gusto?
Okay!
Ayan, no.
Sir Richie, ano daw? Gusto namin doggy contest. Kung sino yung mas magaling mag-doggy, yun yung makakakuha ng rifle!
Gusto niyo ba sabayan kayo ni James sa ni Jebon mag-doggy? Okay, we're looking for how many contestants?
How many?
Four.
Four!
Four contestants now! Oh, come here!
Four
Contestant! Apat na contestant, dalawang babae, dalawang lalaki.
1, 2, 3.
One more guy, one more guy.
Okay, fine. Ayun. Ay, ano eh. 2, 4. Okay, gawin na lang natin ng ano. Oh,
Dami na bigla yung apat ha, multiply by 2.
lagi siya. Okay.
You say we have doggy ba?
Okay, 6.
Music! Okay. Doggy contest.
You ready?
Ready na ba kayo? Ready na!
Contestant number 1.
Oh! Woo! Number 1!
Okay, number 2, number 2.
Number 2!
Number 3.
Sino ba?
Take it back to the floor.
Teach me how to do it.
Oh!
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it.
Everybody jump, everybody jump.
Alright.
Everybody jump. Put that to my drum.
Teach me how to do it.
Ikaw! Malakpakan naman!
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how
Kung
to do
sino yung mas malakas na palakpak, yun yung matinalo! Ano? Wala! Oh, si Kuya! Ah, wala!
All I need
O si ate! Hindi ko siya naman nanalo eh.
is arms out front, knees outside. They gon' be
Alright, you should trust me.
baby ride.
First up.
From the inside, he gon' get it. He hit that in the thing. Okay, I ain't
Panoorin natin mag-doggy sila Jebon!
I show my moves and everybody trying to do it. Like I live up, shit, right there, they trying to steal it. I use that for you, and I'm the king. Do your hate, see they try to shoot me. Give me the stuff to me. I think they try to groom it. I make the color shine bright when it start blooming. These people
Alright!
so I have to chew it.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it.
Okay, mag-start tayo dito. Sino yung mas malakas na palakpak? Yun yung mananalo. Okay, si ate! Ay, parang isa lang sumigaw.
Daming fan!
Oh, si Kuya! Woo! Ano ka na?
Wow!
Okay, yun. Si ate! Wala. O, ito naman dyan, James. Wala. Feeling ko sa'yo na yung dalawa. Hindi. Okay, may isang winner na tayo. O, ano ba gusto nyo? May iba pa ano, contestant?
Oh, Jebon ah.
Wala na yung isa. Ayun. Ganda. Diyan, ano? Yan.
Palakpakan naman natin yung ating Teach Me How to Doggy winner.
Oh! Doggy King ka na ba na?
Photo op natin sa inyong dalawa.
Oh, mag-club ka.
Okay! Maraming salamat! Maraming salamat! Thank you! Okay! Again, let's give it up for Devon and James!
Thank you, everyone!
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank
Good
you.
night!